Good evening guys. CVT Transmission here with another exclusive video. Guys, here I have the 01J CVT Transmission disassemble. Okay guys, you can see I pull it apart and I move the housing. I'm just giving you guys a preview to show you what it looked like. Alright, this is a filter inside there. You can see this transmission is not on the table, it's on the floor because the transmission is very heavy. Alright, so I'm just giving you a preview. Show what it looked like. This transmission is the Audi A6. Alright. Let's go to the valve body. Here goes. There goes the mechatronics unit. The computer. Put it on very carefully. Here's a diff. Okay, and this transmission do not use converter. Alright, okay guys, this is a speed sender wheel. This is speed signal. I have two of them. This is one. This is the next one inside here. Okay guys, just giving you a preview. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and please leave a comment down there, and I will happy to answer all your questions. Alright guys, this is the filter inside the hose here. Thank you for watching. Peace out.